Okay, so let's see. We need a test protocol. We will work on a test protocol today on my program MCDS, Minecraft distributed architecture to run multiple Minecraft bots via Mindflayer. So, and I have in my work progress, I created these protocols, and I need to work them through to find all the errors and to analyze everything. So let's see. What do I? Okay, this one will be pretty quick. So. Okay. So. How do I turn off? Anyways. Okay. So I'll go into my test world. Can make it big. Okay. So random standard Minecraft. Important thing, open to LAN. I use this port just as a standard. Survival important, below commands important too. Okay, so that's ready. Now we start. Come on. We start our box like this. Click, click. There he is. Spawned in, but this is not what we are looking for right now. We need to do this. I started my program, and now we open this address. So, okay, that works. Okay, yeah, okay, well, these two work. Okay, so the third step, the first two steps are already, it's to open the site. Does it work? Yes, it works, like we see. I built this. These are some panels to debug all of the stuff from the bot. So, and the first thing to test is the event bus. If everything works, I already know that it works. We have everything here, but I can show what happens when we give the robot a command. Is there list? Okay. Go and there he goes.
Angekommen.
And he can speak. I can make it in English actually. Language English. Okay. So I can say come here.
Arrived.
Arrived. Okay, so that works also. We have our scrolling list of events with these times and what happens and events and bots that are online. We only have Dixie. This is Dixie. Like, yes, okay, so that works too. Okay, in the test, it says we should do this command, but there are no trees on that island where I'm testing, so the navigation commands also work. Okay, so now in the web app we need to open the next thing. Let me go back. So this is the language I built. And these are all of the commands that we can give to the bot right now. There will be more, probably. I'm not maxing for the commands, but it's unavoidable to have some more. Okay, so yeah, side works. It's pretty easy. Now we take this. The interesting thing is we could give the bot this command to chop 5 birch log, and he would understand. But this is not part of the test. We need to test it here. Enter. And we have yeah, my language says it works. That's great. The program from the bot will use the same function that will be used here. Like I have only one place in my program where the commands get checked, and this is used in the web page and in the program itself. So only one place to edit. It's very nice. Okay, so that works also. Oh, and we will do a command that is not there. Yeah, invalid unknown. That's correct. And no crash. That's very good. So, okay, next website recipe. We can, yeah, Acadia bowl. Okay. There's only one way to craft an Acadia boat, and it is with 5 Acadia. I don't know why I'm saying Acadia. Acacia. Acacia. Okay. Stone pickaxe. For the sharp-eyed, I can put in everything in here with a space. Normally, the Minecraft items have an underscore, but I don't need that. Okay, so there are 3 ways to craft a stone pickaxe. Let's check a chest. Elytra. I don't know why Elytra is not in the data I have. A bit weird. What is lantern? Lantern. Something expensive. Expensive in the way like there are very much ways to craft something. What about bookshelf? Yeah, like that. Okay, so but I want to test more. Okay, that's also working. Avatar. Yes. Okay, we can test the same actually. I show you what I mean. There's okay. We can also write it here, and we have the same output like here, and we can also make it machine readable with JSON, the flag, so we can pass everything in there. Pretty nice. Okay, where's my test? Okay, so now we will change the configuration of my program just to check that it is. What do I need to do? Web modules. Well, I built that, but okay. Yeah, that's weird. In my config, there is not. Okay. Now I get what it means. It's written different web modules recipe. Okay, so now if I put false in there, we shouldn't see this, like this should be grayed out like that. So let's restart the bot. Click. Now if we reload the site, yes, offline. We need to enable it in the config. That's pretty neat. Let's say true. Okay, now I want to check, but I don't know how it's state. No, that's not happening. Let's see. State. State. Okay, let's do a test. That works. Nope, not the correct address. I don't know. So that's a point I can put into the feedback. Which was it? But state machine link to the config. So we will fix that. Yeah, two browser tabs at the same time. We can do that. We can have this. This is in my web browser now, and we also have Minecraft. And if I say my bot to walk somewhere, we now have a debug view of the path that the bot takes and where his where his goal is. We can do the same. Now I am the goal.
Angekommen.
Yes, and he speaks German again. Yeah. Okay, but that's also working. Okay, so we can okay. We can have both open and also that works and that works all at the same time, because this is one unified web server serving different websites. Yeah. I wanted to build a bot, and now I also have to build web servers. Okay, external viewer. Yeah, that's also, this is the most easiest protocol, and it's yeah, too easy. Okay, so we did that. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, the soul system. Okay, so first protocol, soul system. Okay, and let's see. Yeah. Okay. I know that we have that the first point is already done because we have no error when our bot is starting. So now we will test this command, see what it does. Okay, it works. That's all we need to know, is if there is an error, but I put in something and I get something out without an error. And we have no error here. That's very good. So now we put next. I change that to P. Okay, now we set something. We have not, where is it? So there. This I just changed something in our database with this easy command, and now we have INFP in this column. Works. Okay. Yeah, of course, the second, let's see, it should be gone now. I forgot that we have two tests. Yep, it's gone. Perfect. So 1, 2, 4 already working. Oh. And number 5. Yeah. Yes. Not. I can change this to English. So invalid. Yeah. Forgot the word. Okay, so 5 also works. 8. Normally, the test protocols are not as easy as this right now, because usually there are so many errors and I have to observe what they do. These protocols I did after testing and working on all of this stuff, because I already had the code, and but I had no test protocols to audit these changes. So I just made them. Yeah, okay. Give me those and forget about them. Okay, next test. I know for a fact that this will work. I don't have a JSON file right now to test it with. I can do that later. 8. Yeah, we can do that. We are also looking unknown, not found. Very good. So no crash. And well, okay. We can't really test 9. Okay. Okay. Done. So we did these. This will be quick too. So that's really quick work today. I do it like this. Okay, okay. So we don't need the game for that. We just need. This is just test for my tool. Okay. This when I do take my tool and this command shows the same like the website I showed you, but we have a bit more information here, I think. I'm not sure. These are again all of the commands I can show to the or like talk to the bot, and where I have a yellow user text right here, these commands are restricted only to use by humans. Everything else can be used by a large language model. It's not implemented yet. It's still a bit to go there, but every command can be used by a standard AI thingy, but some admin stuff and everything, only a human user can do these. It's so like I have a safety layer, what the AI can actually do with the commands. Yes. Okay, so number 1 worked. Number 2 I'm pretty happy that I have one moment. Help spawn. Okay, that's wrong, but that's right. And I forgot what I wanted to say right now. Just test. That's correct. What we can try restore. Oh. Okay. Oh, we found a bug. I should explain what happened. Like I said, the policy command should only be used by a user, but when I show the help to this command, no, I'm dumb. No, I'm not dumb. The AI is dumb. That's good. I let the AI wrote the protocol and it messed up because you need to put the help command after all of the other commands. Like if you want to see the help for the policy command, you put help after it. And what I was doing, I was only looking at the yeah, it was the same output every time. I'm not fully concentrated right now. Okay, so, but it works. Yes, it's gated. Stichprobe. John 1. Okay. Stichprobe, ja. Ist okay. Dann test. Okay. Let's test. Works. Yeah, so it's AI is so fucking dumb. It's amazing. Point 7 is please test it with an LLM. And here it says, oh, it cannot be tested because it's not implemented. Like, wow, Sherlock Holmes. Incredible. Dumb. Okay, so we got that right. Where is my... Yes. Okay, now we have these. Okay, now the tricky one. A bit of gameplay. Should have started with that, but anyways, where is... Wait. Oh. Okay. All right. we have something to really test in game. And what do I need to do? Okay, we need to locate a spruce forest. Okay, I'll make it bigger. And okay. I'm and all of this dirt stuff here is from the early versions of my robots because they don't work so clean right now. Okay, so now let's make an easy test for our robot. Okay, so one moment. We need to set a shot. I think it's okay. I'm enlightened now. We need a shot. So shot is a command where I can see in hindsight with my forensic program at which time in my game session I did a certain test. It's more like a bookmark, but I called it shot. I'll just yeah. So now it's a bookmark called locate. You can see it. Yes, shot locate. So everything from now on is will run under this bookmark. Okay, just change the weather. Okay, and locate spruce forest. Nothing matching found yet. Okay. Okay. Make it bigger. One moment. So this command should find a spruce forest, and this is a special functionality in the program because Mind Flayer, the library, can find certain blocks. Like if I say to the bot, I want to chop one spruce log, I can show that. He will.
Chopping one spruce log.
Yeah.
Done.
Done.
Target amount reached.
He already knows where it is, but I wanted to have a function which finds a whole forest. So that's why I have this locate command. The catch is the bot can only find something like a big forest if he explored first, and I don't have an explore command yet, but I can trick him and I can say that he should chop one acacia log, and I know that in the area there is no acacia log anywhere, so
chopping one acacia log.
He will fall back to exploring, and
no matching blocks found nearby.
Yeah. So he will look for acacia trees now, and while he is doing that, he is in his exploring mode and will hopefully map out what kind of blocks are near him. And here are many spruce logs. So I hope we can test this command. I can show you. Yeah, this web thing is very interesting because with our debug view, now you see, or should see, soon, what happened? Where is he? Okay. What are you doing? Okay.
Chopping one acacia log.
Yeah.
No matching blocks found nearby.
Yeah. Sometimes you just have to hit him. It's like with radios and TVs back then. Just hit them and they work again. It's the same with it. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is this. The bot will put the world into grids, and he will explore every cell around. There he is. And he will look in every cell. The cells are big enough that he can find the log that I want. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Let's see if he makes it back. Ah, shit. He's looping again. Okay, I quickly show you what's happening. Water is the most evil thing for my robot. I already built like 11 or 12 versions of this security mechanism that he can escape the water, but like that in certain scenarios he falls back on only one yes, on only one shore. Let's see. Okay, if I I don't think he would have made it if I didn't put that block away. Yeah, that's the problem. Everything that you see, by the way, is there is no AI in the background. Nothing. Not a single line of code with AI. It's everything is a deterministic program, like most boring classical program. Okay, it's everything but boring, but it's free from AI slop. And what is it? Do I have to hit you again? No. What's wrong? Oxygen low. That's another error I don't understand until now. He can be on land and still have low oxygen. It's I don't know what's happening there. Huh. Yeah. Okay, but he explored now, so let's test if he. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't work. That's sad. But I expected this because this is not very well tested. No. work. Explorationsmodus versetzt. Punkt. Okay. Okay. Well, I can skip part 2, I think. Okay, we can. Yep. Thought so. Locate open. What spruce log? Maybe spruce log. Oh ho! Best match. See how dumb that is? He's everywhere is spruce log, and he finds a best match somewhere.
1 of 2, 44 blocks remaining.
44 blocks away. That's crazy. Okay, that will have to go into the protocol because that's just dumb. Oh, what?
Navigation goal abandoned. Timeout.
Are you dumb? Oh my god. Yeah. He's cute, but dumb. Okay. Well, I tested for spruce log. You may have noticed I forgot to put a shot in my timeline. Well, I forgot. What is it from locals? Actually, Yeah. Every time there's something new that you don't expect, and that's why you have to test like that. Very weird. Okay. Mm. Okay. Yeah, we don't need to test 4. We already had that every time. Got the got the not found message at 1, 2. Yeah, okay. The I won't do the other tests because yes, just because. Locate. Yeah, yeah. Locate spruce forest. I want to see. Do we have a match? No. That's done. Okay. Okay. Well, we know for sure that this thing is broken now. Okay, we have this. Oh, I procrastinated on these test protocols so hard. 2 weeks or 1 week because it's boring and it's, well, not as interesting as programming something new. Okay, this test I already tested out, and this I did not test, I think. What is it? Condition monitor. Condition monitor protocol. Looks like I tested that. Sleeper agent. Oh. Oh, I also, yes. Everything tested. Yep. Done. Oh, nice. Oh, finally. Okay, I have to wait until I get my AI tokens back, and then I can let the AI model will analyze every test protocol I did, and I'll get an analysis protocol. I have this method of creating where something I can show that. Okay, like this old one. I had these tests and I wrote all of my notes, what went wrong and so on. And then I let the AI model analyze it. Is this analysis? Yes. And he found where are the problems in the code, and where do I have concept gaps, or, and so on and so on. And then we iterated on that and yeah, fixed it. But because the program is so complex, I need this workflow to document every decision I made, because yeah, it will spiral into chaos if I don't do that, and I don't want that. Okay, so we can make we can quit here.
Arrived. Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye.